Hey guys, Armattan Marmotte 5S. I haven't really been flying lately because of work and because I've been troubleshooting this quad. Been having a weird motor twitch, been getting some help from PROP-WASH FPV. Thanks, Derek. Put some soft mounts on here, tighten down the frame, all that good stuff. Seems to maybe have helped a little bit. I just flew a couple 4S packs. We'll see if it happens on a 5S pack now. Hopefully maybe you guys can chime in on it and maybe give me some suggestions. The other thing too, in my last flight, I just suddenly dropped our SSI on my crossfire, brought it back down, didn't do a single thing, just kind of looked it over, looked at the radio, put it back up in the air, and the problem went away. So definitely a little bit concerning. I think I'll be getting my GEP-RC Elegant back in the air this week. Seem to trust it a little bit more. All right, guys, hopefully this flight works out and doesn't end in a crash. All right, thanks. We'll keep flying. Or maybe not.